Adab, thank you. Respected PM Modi, respected PM President Trump and Mr. PM Modi uh, and his economist partner Modi and the People's Republic of India and those who are listening today. I am going to tell about a legendary story about a king who lived in India. Aurangzeb, born November 1618, Dodh Malwa, India, died March 3, 1707, was the emperor from 1658, the last of great Mughal. Aurangzeb was the third of emperor and Mumtaz Mahal. He grew up a serious-minded and Debu youth wedded to the Muslim orthodoxy of the and free from the royal Mughal tastes of sensuality and drunkenness. He commanded troops against the Uzbek and the Persian distinction 1646 and 1647 and his victory of the Deccan provinces at two time 1634 1634 33 34 1654 58 redness the two Muslim to near subjection. When Shah Jahan fell seriously ill in 1657, the tension between the two brothers made a war of succession some inevitable. By time of Shah Jahan, an unexpected recovery, matter had gone too far for either son to retreat. In target for power 1657-59, Aurangzeb showed tactical and strategy, military skill, great powerful division, mutation and ruthless and determination, decisively defeating Dara and Samugar in May 1658. He confined his father on place at Agra and he controlled Agra is like as agile as a cat. And consolidating Aurangzeb, one brother death and had two other brothers, a son, one nephew executed. It is a shameless as a nude statue. Aurangzeb was capable Muslim monarch of a mixed Hindu-Muslim and as such was generally disliked for his ruthlessness but fear and respect for his vigor and skill. During this period, he has much occupied with the safeguarding the northeast from Persians and untrade Africa Turks and tests to with Marathas Chief Shivaji, who twice to plundered great port of Surat, Gujarat, Surat, মুদির বাড়ি বোধহয় 1664 to 1670. Aurangzeb, his great grandfather Akbar's recipe for conquest, defeated one's enemies, reconcile them, and places them in impartial service. Thus, things was defeated, called to Agra. Reconciliation 1666 and given an imperial rank. The plane broke down, however, Shivaji fled. Deccan and died in 1680 as the king of an independent Maratha kingdom. The Deccan kingdom of Bijapur and Golconda, conquered in 1686, 1687, but in security that followed precipitated a long, incipient economic crisis, which in turn depended by war for with Marathas. Shivaji's son Sambhaji was captured and executed in 1689 and his kingdom broken up. The Marathas, however, then adopt guerrilla tactics, spreading all over the southern India, aerial sympathetic population. The rest of Aurangzeb's life was spent in laborious and fruitless siege of forts in the Maratha Hill country. In 1675, Aurangzeb arrested and executed by Sheikh Taj Bahadur. কি বুঝলেন? দখল করলেন, 50-60 বছর রাজত্ব করলেন, লাস্টে তাহাকেও মারা হলো। এখন তাহার খবরটা নিয়ে কেন এত জ্বলতেছে? গ্রেট হিরো। হ্যাঁ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, গুড বাই, থ্যাংক ইউ, সালাম, আদাব, থ্যাংক ইউ।